My daily activities. My name is Helen. I'm 16 years old and I study at Newton High School. A typical day for me starts with the sound of my alarm beeping at 6:30 a.m. I drag myself out of bed and get ready for the day. First, I head to the bathroom to freshen up, brush my teeth, wash my face. Then I put on my favorite playlist to get me moving. It's a mix of pop and indie songs to get me pumped for the day ahead. Then, I pick out my outfit for the day and get dressed. After that, I head downstairs to grab some breakfast. For breakfast, I always go for a bowl of cereal with some fresh fruit and a glass of orange juice. Sometimes I'll have toast with peanut butter and banana slices. It's the perfect way to kickstart my day. Then, I grab my backpack and head out the door to catch the bus at around 7:45. It's a short ride, and I get to school at 7:55 a.m. My school starts at 8 a.m., and I always take care not to be late. School is a blast. I love getting to learn new things and hang out with my friends. My first class is usually English or math. I enjoy my classes, especially the ones where we get to discuss books or solve challenging problems. After a few classes, it's time for recess and lunch. I usually bring a packed lunch from home, and it's always something delicious. But sometimes, I'll buy a slice of pizza or a sandwich from the cafeteria. Lunchtime is always a great chance to catch up with my friends and refuel for the afternoon. School finishes at 3 p.m. After school, I usually enjoy having a snack of yogurt and granola. It's the perfect way to recharge before diving into my next activities. I'm part of the student council, so I often have meetings or events to attend. I also play on the school's basketball team, so I have practices a few times a week. On days when I don't have a meeting or practice, I like to hang out with my friends at the park or go shopping at the mall. When I finally get home around 6 p.m., it's time to unwind. I usually start by changing into comfy clothes, maybe catching up on a TV show, or chatting with my family. Then it's time for dinner around 7 p.m. My mom makes a delicious dinner for us, and we all sit down together to eat and talk about our day. I love getting to catch up and spend time together with my family. Other times, we go out to eat at a restaurant. We usually go to our favorite Italian restaurant or the burger place down the street. I love their fries. They are delicious. After dinner, I tackle my homework and study for upcoming tests. I like to be prepared, you know. Once that's done, I enjoy some quiet time to read or listen to music. Finally, as the night winds down, I follow my evening routine. Shower, skincare, getting into bed with a book. By 10 p.m., it's lights out for me.